Hello, welcome to character creation series part 2. In first part we did the character blockout. In second part we will do the beard, pocket, frill and then we will do the hair. Let's begin. Okay, let's make the hair stand first. For this I took a plane, merge the vertices at center by pressing M and extrude them to make the strands. Convert it into the curve and increase the depth of bevel. Now it's time to make the face eyes. For this I applied the mirror modifier. Select the front four faces and insert them by pressing I. Make them circular by using loop tools. You can enable the loop tools in user preferences. Extrude the face inside to make the eye socket. Place a sphere in this eye socket as the eyeball and rotate 90° in x-axis. And did the eye socket vertices placement according to the reference. Duplicate the eyeball and rotate it back into the 90° in x-axis to make the eyelid. Scale the eyelid and eyeball in y-axis and did some vertices toggle to make it right. Now make the eyeball by duplicating and extruding the vertices and did some vertices toggle. We also make the eyebrow. To make the mouth, select the face on the mouth reference and insert it by pressing I. And bevel the top two vertices individually by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. And did vertices placement on the reference. Extrude the mouth central face in y-axis. Select the mouth edge loop and bevel it by pressing Ctrl P. Add an edge loop to make the edges smooth. Did some hair placement. Our girl face is ready now. Now we will make the pocket and beard face. For this, took a sphere and delete the top and left vertices and place it on the reference. Did some vertices tweaking to match the reference. For beard face, took a cube with two levels of subdivision modifier and place it on the reference. Duplicate the same cube to make the arms and nails. Apply the subdivision modifier on the face. Select the front faces and press insert to make the eye and make the insert face circle using the loop tool. If the circle is not perfect, press Ctrl A and apply the all transformation. This will solve the problem. Extrude the circle face in y-axis to make the eye socket and add an edge loop to make the shading smooth. Place an eyeball in the beard eye socket. Select the top left vertices to make the ear. Insert them, extrude them and make the shape of the ear by adding edge loop and by doing vertex tweaking. Insert the front ear face and extrude them inside. Make a flower using a plane. Make the plane of the shape of petal and duplicating it. And place a subdivide cube in the center. Flower is ready. Place the flower on the beard. Make the beard eyelashes. Now it's time to do the frill. We will do one frill and for second we duplicate the first one. We apply the subdivision modifier. We select the vertical edge and bevel it 2 times and did the same for all the vertical edges. And move the central edge inside. Frill is ready. Duplicate the same frill for the second frill. Did some tweaking. Yahoo! Our little girl model is ready now. Oh, wait, hairs are still left. So, let's do the hair and finish this part. We place the vertex on the reference hair boundaries. So, we do the edge seam here. Here we will tear a vertex by pressing V and match the vertex placement on the reference. We need to do a lot here. We did vertex placement again for second boundary of hairs, so we can add a cut. Same did for third hair boundary. Vertex move, vertex move, vertex move, and carry on until we got the required result. I am pressing double G to slide the vertex. After we done the vertex setup on the reference hair boundaries, we will select the first vertex hair boundary and bevel it 2 times by pressing Ctrl B and using scroll wheel. Slide the top vertex upside. Merge the bottom two vertices at center by pressing M. Join the upper vertex with this vertex by pressing M and merge at last. And move the central edge inside. This will make the haircut. We will do the same for the remaining haircuts. We will do the haircut on the left side too, as the way we did in the right side, by placing the vertex on the reference cut and by beveling it. We did the hair placement again. Our model is final now. In third part, we will do the unwrapping of the girl model we did in first and second part. Hope you will find it useful and easy to learn the character creation. If you like the video, do comment and like, and also subscribe my channel. See you in the third part. Goodbye.